1. Lasagna. Recipe. Lasagna plates, 9 to 12. Meat, chicken or beef. 500-gram spicy sauce. 750 ml meat. Paneer, 250-gram Parmesan cheese. 1 souvlaki. Cream, 500 ml onion. 1 PC vegetables. Radish, kabukchichi, zucchini, tomato. 1 bow salt and pepper to taste. Cumin and horseradish to taste. Preparation. Boil meat with onions and add vegetables. Add the hot sauce and stir in the paneer and Parmesan to change the texture. Preparing and wrapping lasagna sheets. Meat, sauce, and paneer are thrown in each row. In the last row, cover with cream and paneer for change and bake for 30-40 minutes in an oven heated to 180 degrees C.
Beef and broccoli, stir fry, recipe, meat, filet, or steak. 500-gram broccoli, 1 PC soy sauce, 3 types, lemon juice, 2 types horseradish and garlic, chopped, salt and pepper to taste, cumin, ground. Preparation. Cook the meat and season with soy sauce, lemon juice, horseradish, garlic, salt, and pepper. Add broccoli and season with cumin. Serve with meat and broccolini. Chicken Alfredo, recipe, chicken meat, sandwich, 500-gram, fettuccine, pasta, 250-gram cream, 500 ml Parmesan cheese, 1 souvlaki garlic, chopped, salt and pepper to taste, cumin and horseradish mixed together. Preparation. Cook the chicken and season with soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Cook the fettuccine pasta, stir in the cream, and serve with the chicken and pasta, topped with Parmesan cheese, garlic, cumin, and horseradish. Lobster bisque, recipe, half-horse yearbook, 1 piece. Shrimp, 250-gram cream, 500 ml flour, 3 kinds, sour cream, 150 ml horseradish and caraway seeds mixed together, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation. Cook half a yearling and shrimp. Fry with flour. Remove the cream and bright horseradish and cumin. Add sour cream and season with salt and pepper. Add cream and shrimp to the soup and serve. Shrimp scampi, recipe, shrimp, 500 green, spaghetti, 250 green, horseradish and garlic, chopped, olive road. 3 types, lemon juice, 2 types salt and pepper, to taste all cumin, and spices, to taste. Preparation. Cook spaghetti and season with salt and pepper. Cook shrimp with bright horseradish and garlic. Add lemon juice, cumin, and spices. Serve chicken and casserole with spaghetti. Eggplant parmesan, recipe, eggplant, 2 pieces, cheese, 1 souvlaki. Spicy sauce, 500 ml Parmesan, cheese, 1 souvlaki, horseradish, and caraway seeds mixed together, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation. Prepare badam june and cover with paneer. Prepare a spicy sauce and season with horseradish, cumin, salt, and pepper. Wash the badam june with hot sauce and Parmesan cheese. Bake in an oven heated to 120 C for 20-25 minutes. Vegetable stir fry, recipe, kizil bash, 1 piece bor kebab, broccoli, 1 piece, havik, 1 piece kabukchichi and mushrooms, 1 piece, soy sauce, 3 types, olive road, 2 types, lemon juice, 1 cup salt and pepper to taste. Preparation. Wash and prepare vegetables. Fry with olive oil. Add soy sauce and lemon juice. Add the vegetables. Season with salt and pepper and watch often. Baked ziti, recipe, ziti pasta, 250 growers cream, 500 ml Meyer ricotta cheese, 250 gram mozzarella cheese, 200 gram Parmesan cheese, 1 souvlaki tomato sauce, 500 ml horseradish and caraway seeds mixed together, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation. Cook the ziti pasta. Season with ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, horseradish, cumin, salt and pepper. Add the tomato sauce and cook together with the pasta in the oven for 20-25 minutes. Chicken marsala, recipe, chicken meat, sandwich, 500 green, marsala sauce, 250 ml champignon, sand mushroom, 250 green, shining horse, salt and pepper to taste, cumin, ground. Preparation. Cook the chicken and season with soy sauce, salt, pepper, cumin, and horseradish. Add the mushrooms and cook with the marsala sauce. Serve with chicken and sauce. Pad Thai recipe, gunga, shrimp or chicken, 250 gram, funchosa, noodles, 250 gram of crushed garlic and cumin in a little yogurt, chopped, majun, tamarind, 2 varieties, cream, 2 types, chili sauce, 2 types, in a little yogurt, a lot of pepper, cumin, 1 variety. Preparation: prepare the gunga by washing it. Cook funchosa and add soy sauce, tamarind, cream, and chili sauce. Season with cumin and garlic. Serve with gunga and noodles. Lasagna. Recipe: lasagna dough, 250 gram, cream, 500 milliliters, minced meat, steak or dog, 500 gram oil, Parmesan cheese, 1 souvlaki, mozzarella cheese, 200 gram garlic, chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: cook the lasagna noodles, fry the meat, and season it with salt, pepper, and garlic. Add cream and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese. Serve with lasagna noodles and meat cream. Spaghetti carbonara. Recipe: spaghetti, 250 gram eggs, 2 pancetta, sliced, or sauces, sausage, 100 gram Parmesan cheese, 1 souvlaki garlic, chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: cook the spaghetti. Cook the pancetta or sausage. Add the eggs and Parmesan cheese and season with salt and pepper. Wash with spaghetti and serve with pancetta. Goulash. Recipe: meat, mushroom or steak, 500 goulash onion, 2 pilets, vegetables, potatoes, kebab chichi, tomatoes, 500 coolers, cream, 500 ml salt and pepper to taste, cumin to taste, flour, 2 kinds. Preparation: cut the meat lengthwise along the fingers and boil it in flour, salt, and pepper. Add the chopped onion and cook with a fork. Add the vegetables and cook, and add the cream. Add cumin and bring to a boil to transform the root. Serve with bread or pasta. Chicken Parmesan. Recipe: chicken, 4 pieces, cheese, 1 souvlaki, Parmesan cheese, 1 souvlaki, spicy sauce, 500 milliliters of spaghetti, 250 gram horseradish and cumin to taste, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: add chicken in batches and season with salt, pepper, horseradish, and cumin to coat. Wrap the chicken in breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. Fry in a spicy sauce and toss with breadcrumbs for a twist. Cook spaghetti and season with salt and pepper. Serve the chicken Parmesan with spaghetti and top it all off with a nice hearty bread or salad. Fish pie or recipe: fish fillet, 500 gram potatoes, 500 gram cream, 300 milliliter Sogon, 1 pia salt and pepper to taste, lemon juice, 2 types. Preparation: cooking the potatoes with salt and pepper. Fry the fish in cream and cook half-baked with Sogon. Add the chicken and sauce and add the lemon juice. Toss with potatoes and bake for 25-30 minutes in a preheated oven at 100 swatters. Beef Wellington. Recipe: meat fillet, 500 gram, cream, 500 milliliters paneer, 250 gram, toka, sachkor, 1 bow, flour, 500 gram, salt and pepper to taste, cumin to taste. Preparation: fry the meat fillet and season it with salt, pepper, cumin. Preparation of paneer and boiled meat with flour. Toss with paneer. Prepare the cream as a roll and put the paneer and meat inside it. Bake in an oven heated to 200 degrees Q for 25-30 minutes. Chicken pot pie recipe: chicken meat, 500 grind cream, 300 milliliter vegetables, leek, red cabbage, potatoes, 300 grams salt and pepper to taste, paneer, 1 bow. Preparation: cooking chicken meat with salt, pepper, and vegetables. Prepare the paneer and cook it together with the vegetables and chicken and toss with cream. Bake in an oven heated to 200 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Cottage pie recipe: meat, chicken or beef, 500 gallons vegetables, radish, scallion, goro, 300 gallons potato puree, 500 gallons salt and pepper to taste, cream, 300 milliliters. Preparation: cook the meat, prepare it with vegetables, season with salt and pepper, make potato puree and toss with cream. Place the chicken and potato puree in a tight bow. Bake in an oven heated to 200 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Beef stroganoff recipe: mushroom meat, fillet or steak, 500 grams onion, 1 piece champignon, sound mushroom, 250 cream, 250 ml oil, 150 ml flour, 2 salt and pepper to taste, cumin and cumin to taste, olive oil, 2 types. Preparation: cut the meat lengthwise along the fingers and boil it in flour, salt, and pepper. Add the chopped onion and cook with a fork. Add the champignons and cook, and add the cream and oil. Add cumin and mix everything with olive oil. Boil for 10 minutes and serve with bread or pasta.